Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to open, or rather wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. And once you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Then scroll down, find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. Here, select the date and time option. And right here, if you want to change the date and time manually, you will need to disable the automatic date and time. To do it, tap on the switch like this, then scroll down, and here we have set date and set time. To change the date, simply tap on set date, change the day by swiping up and down, then swipe left, change the oh, this is not the date, this is the hour, so I tapped on set time instead of set date. So to change the hour, swipe up and down to select the hour, then minutes, and then swipe left and tap on the arrow. To change the date, swipe up and down on the days, swipe left, change the day, rather, my bad, change the month by swiping up and down, then day, and finally the year. And once you're done, tap on the arrow to confirm. As you can see, the settings changed. You can also change the format of the time by tapping on the use 24-hour format. If you disable it, you will see the 12-hour format. If you enable it, you will have the 24-hour format. And if you want to change the time zone also, disable the automatic one, tap on set time zone, and scroll through the list, find the time zone you like, tap on it to select it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.